Hi everyone, my name's Val. Um, so the reason I'm taking this course, I guess just to get some more information on human sexuality and gender identity and things like that. I don't have that much experience with it, and just I thought it sounded interesting. So I currently work in adoption in Philly and in Delaware County. Of course, everything is still virtual, but with a whole range of different demographics. So I was just interested in kind of expanding my knowledge and experience in this area. Um, so yeah, with that being said, I think something that I'd hope to learn more about is um, gender identity. I know there's all different types, and I don't really have that much experience with any of them. So looking forward to learning more. Thanks so much.